Hey everyone, want to capture leads with Webflow forms and send them straight to HubSpot? Now let's get started. Design your form in Webflow to collect emails, names, etc. Head over to Zapier and create a Zap. Alright, set Webflow form submission as the trigger and HubSpot as the action. All right, next, go ahead and map the fields. Connect the Webflow form fields to HubSpot, like name, email, and so forth. Test this app to ensure leads are flowing into HubSpot. That's it. Your Webflow form is now connected to HubSpot. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.